Hello, and welcome back to English Evolution Step 1. Improve your English in 10 steps. First 1. Introduce, or ask about someone's name. Hi, what's your name? You can say, I am Nick, or, my name is Nick. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from, plus your country, or your city. For example, I am from Senegal, as a country. Or I am from Dakar, as a city. Or I am from plus, the name of the place. Where are you from? Number 2. Daily life. Do you speak English? You can say, yes, I do. Or yes, I speak English. For the negative form, you can say, no, I don't. Or no, I don't speak English. What do you usually eat for breakfast? You can say, I usually have plus. What you usually have, in the morning for breakfast. Or, I usually take plus. What you usually take in the morning as a breakfast. How do you get to work? I take the bus, or I take car, or I walk. How do you get to school? You can say, I walk to school, or I take the bus to school. Number 3. Shopping. Where can I find the men's wear department? It's on the second floor. How much does this shirt cost? It's $20. Number 4. At the restaurant. What is today's special? The special is grilled chicken. Can I have the bill, please? Sure, here you go. Number 5. At the airport. What time is my flight to New York? Your flight to New York departs at 3:30 p.m. Where is the baggage claim area? Baggage claim is on the lower level. Number 6. Talking about weather. How is the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Is it going to rain tomorrow? Yes, there is a chance of rain. Number 7. Inviting someone. Would you like to join us for dinner? Thank you, I'd love to. Are you free this weekend? Unfortunately, I have plans. Number 8. Discussing travel plans. Have you ever been to Paris? Yes, I visited Paris last year. Where would you like to travel next? I'd love to explore Japan. Number 9. At the eye doctor's office. I can't read my book. Turn on the light. The light is on. Open the book. The book is open. See an eye doctor. That's what I need to do. He'll give you a prescription for glasses. I'll make an appointment tomorrow. I'll get the yellow pages for an eye doctor. Read the phone number to me. I will read it very loud, in case your hearing is getting bad too. Yes, of course. Number 10. At the eyewear store. Hi, I'm looking for a new pair of glasses. Of course, what style are you interested in? I prefer something classic and lightweight. Great, let's start with an eye test. Please read the letters on the chart. E, F, P, T. Perfect. Now let's find a frames round or rectangular. Rectangular, please. How about these? They're titanium light and durable. They look nice. Can I try them on? Certainly. How's the fit? Comfortable, and I can see clearly. Excellent. We'll add your prescription lenses. Thank you, Sarah. You're welcome, Alex. Enjoy your new glasses. Thank you so much for watching. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like and share with your friends.